Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro here, and today I'm going to be showing you a game that you can only play by using your eyebrows to go up and back down. It's called Rainbrow, and you can probably already tell why that's ironically funny, because it's eyebrows and it's called brow, and it has like the word brow in it. And then the other ironically part about it is the background is a rainbow, which you'll see that in a minute whenever I show you like some of the gameplay. But it's pretty fun, and there's a couple ways on how you can get this. You can do what you normally do to search any app. You can just go ahead and head over to the App Store and search up Rainbrow, or you can go down to the description of this video and click the link that I'm going to be leaving in the description. And then while you're down there, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also beside it, toggle on my bell notifications. Sorry, I can't talk. And then change it to always on. And if you don't know how to do that, once you click it once, it'll toggle them on. Then click it again, and it'll give you like a little menu that you can choose from. Just select always on, and you should be good. And if you don't, follow my Twitter, because YouTube doesn't always send out the notifications like they should, but it should be pretty stable. So if you don't have a Twitter, just make sure that you have always on notifications. But like I said, you can get it from those two places. And then once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and open the app. So head over to wherever you have it on your home screen. And like I said, you just go up and down. But as you can tell, there is a little emoji right there that I can actually hit. And these are like obstacles. And like I said, the brain, that's the rainbow. It's supposed to be rainbow, but because you play it with your eyes, it's rainbrow. So kind of funny, but has some nice noises. For me, the hard part is going back down, but that's because I don't really make my eyebrows go down that much, so I'm not really used to it. But it's pretty fun. I actually suggest this. But the bad thing is that it's not for all iPhones. If you do not have a Face ID supporting iDevice, it will not work, unfortunately. It is a true bummer. I tried to get this a while ago, like last year or a couple months ago whenever I had my 6S, and it's just not fair. I'm very sorry, but if you do have one of those phones, go ahead and check it out and share it with some people. It's pretty fun. It's a very unique experience, I'll say that. But like I said, make sure that you subscribe and hit my bell notifications. Check out the game. It's pretty fun. This is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment something that you think that other people would like, or just do whatever. But have a great day. Peace out. And make sure you subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.